Hey beauty lovers! If you're someone who values a simple yet effective solution for cuticle care, you're in for a treat today. I've been trying out the LA Girl Lavender Nourishing Cuticle Oil, and I'm here to break down everything you need to know about this little gem. First, let's talk about the product itself. The LA Girl Lavender Nourishing Cuticle Oil comes in a 0.47 fel-aughts bottle, which is compact and super easy to carry with you. It's a lightweight, fast-absorbing formula that promises to hydrate and nourish your cuticles without leaving any greasy residue behind. The best part? You get all that nourishment with a professional quality result in the comfort of your own home. Now about the key ingredients. This cuticle oil blends together 5 essential oils: sunflower, olive, meadow foam, jojoba, and sweet almond oils. Along with vitamin E, this nourishing mix is designed to help deeply hydrate your cuticles and nails, making them look healthier and more rejuvenated. These oils are known for their moisturizing and strengthening properties, so if you've been dealing with cracking or dryness, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. I've been using it for a couple of weeks, and I have to say, the fast-absorbing formula lives up to the hype. I apply it daily, and it sinks into the cuticles almost instantly, leaving no oily residue behind. It's ideal for anyone who's on the go and doesn't have time for anything too heavy or sticky. Plus, the precision applicator makes it super easy to target your cuticles exactly where you need it. When it comes to real-world use, the LA Girl Lavender Nourishing Cuticle Oil feels like a treat. My cuticles have become noticeably smoother, and I've seen a reduction in the dryness I usually experience, especially in colder months. I haven't noticed any irritation or sensitivity, which is always a win with sensitive skin. The lavender scent is subtle and soothing, not overpowering at all, so it's a nice little moment of self-care without being too fragrant. But like any product, it's not perfect. The size, while convenient, might not be enough for those with extremely dry cuticles who need a more intense solution. That being said, for regular maintenance, this oil does its job beautifully. It's also a bit on the pricier side for its size, so if you're on a tighter budget, it might not be the most cost-effective option for those who need a lot of product. Now, comparing it to other cuticle oils on the market, there are definitely some competitors that offer similar formulations at a lower price point. However, LA Girl's blend of nourishing oils and the fast-absorbing formula do give it a professional edge, which I think justifies the price for those who want to give their nails a little extra TLC. When it comes to build quality, the bottle is sturdy and well-made, and the applicator allows for easy, controlled dispensing. It's perfect for keeping on your nightstand or in your purse for quick reapplications. However, since it's small, I do find myself needing to repurchase more frequently. Now, as far as customer support goes, I haven't had any direct experience with the brand, but LA Girl is known for having great customer service and being responsive to customer inquiries. So, who is this product really for? If you're looking for a quick, effective solution to prevent dry, cracked cuticles and give your nails that healthy, salon-quality finish, the LA Girl Lavender Nourishing Cuticle Oil might be a great addition to your routine. It's perfect for those who want a no-fuss product that delivers results without weighing you down with heavy formulas. But if you're someone who has particularly dry, cracked cuticles and is looking for something that'll give you more intense hydration, this might not be your holy grail. There are more intense options available, but for everyday maintenance, this is a solid pick. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.